Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Python programming. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or an experienced coder looking to level up your skills, you're in the right place. So, let's get started with Python programming. Python is a powerful and versatile programming language that is widely used for web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, scientific computing, and more. In this tutorial, we'll cover the basics of Python programming and explore some advanced concepts to help you become a Python pro. First, let's start with the fundamentals. Python has a clean and readable syntax, making it easy to understand and write code. Variables, data types, operators, control flow statements, functions, and object-oriented programming concepts, all with practical examples and exercises to reinforce your learning. Python's extensive library ecosystem is one of its key strengths. Explore popular libraries like NumPy for numerical computing, Pandas for data manipulation, Matplotlib for data visualization, and Flask for web development. You'll learn how to leverage these powerful tools to build real-world applications. Python is a versatile language that allows you to build a wide range of applications. My tip for aspiring Python programmers is to practice coding regularly, work on projects, and explore different libraries to expand your skill set. And don't be afraid to ask for help or seek out online resources, as the Python community is incredibly supportive. Error handling, file I/O, regular expressions, decorators, and more. These concepts will help you write efficient and robust Python code. In addition to learning the syntax and concepts, it's important to follow best practices for writing clean and maintainable Python code. Now, it's time for some questions from our viewers. That's a wrap on our Python programming tutorial. I hope you found it helpful in your coding journey. Remember to practice regularly, explore different Python libraries, and keep learning to level up your skills. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more coding tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching.